This is the little garden with all the birdhouses. The small birds here. The little gate is down, so I think that's a sign that I can come in and see all these birdhouses, of which there are a lot. This is the walk in, and there are little houses all along the way. Little tiny ones, it says pickles on it. Both sides, there's some old ones up there in the bushes. And the little ones on the way in. These are the ones I took individual pictures of, but you can see how many of them there are. It's great. I'm not sure maybe I took a picture of that one. I like that one. Some of them aren't great. This one's kind of stupid. That's the doctor's house. Doctor. And now we're going out. You can see where I was on Strawberry Island. It's out there. I walked all the way out to Strawberry Island. It's a church with a key. And another church. And another church here. The back of one. Big church up there. England and houses are obviously full of churches. There's a tiny one. It's really cute. Here's this little path down here. Multi-story one. Here's a little house over here. It's Hanny's church. Not Handy's, but Hanny's. That one the birds have filled up with sticks. It's really cute. I think probably birds have done that. And this is a little wishing well where you wish you could always come back. And in the corner, there's the collection of houses that I've taken pictures of before. You can see them all back over the lot. Some of them are old. Some of them are pretty new. They're great. This goes back out to the street. And there's walkways and roses. They need to be deadheaded, I think. They have a guy who comes, but he doesn't like to pick the roses, I suppose. And they wait for them to bloom again. There's a little house back there. And here are these. I love this little birdhouse place. Going back out to the street. That's it.